You'll go to jail for putting your hands on them. Do you not have children?
Go to jail.
What are you worried about? Do you have kids? Do you have kids or do you just have an ego? Leave.
All right, what's up, guys? We have an update video for you guys. Let me read to you a couple comments. Update, please. The police stood by and watched it all. Oh my God. Please keep us updated on this. I hope you get a good lawyer who's willing to take this on retainer. You should have a nice lawsuit. A little while back, we showed you a video of this biker gang leader harassing a woman on her front porch, breaking her window. The original channel is called The Caroline Circle. Make sure you guys go subscribe and say hello. So the cops stood by while this guy stood there, harassed this woman, cussed her out, broke her window, and they didn't arrest him on the spot. Those two cops have now been suspended. The man who broke the window was charged. Imagine that, folks. Cops being part of a biker gang. This is like a real life Sons of Anarchy moment. We're going to go ahead and show you guys the video again. We want to thank you for all the support you give us and the pressure you put on the departments. Check this out.
Let him do it, because take him to jail. That's destruction of property. I want him charged. I want him charged.
Do it.
I want him
Do
charged.
it. Do it, man.
I
Do
want
it.
him
I swear.
charged if he cuts my pool.
Don't matter. She owned the property.
We asked nicely. I promise you to God I
She did
did.
not know this was going to escalate into a situation that had nothing to do with y'all.
I'll let you know this.
Tired his fucking mouth.
That-
You think I'm scared of your phone, bro?
I didn't say you were.
You're acting like a fool. Like you're a
You
grown
ain't seen
man.
a fool
He
yet.
is 23 years old. You are 20.
Let's read a comment written by one of you. A bike gang being helped to break the law by cops because every bike gang member is a cop except one, and he is the fire chief. The two cops are a disgrace to the uniform, and all the gang members are criminals. They are all members of LEMC. They have branches from LA to New York. This is so crazy I'm thinking it is another fake video. If it is fake, have the cops not got something better to do? If it isn't fake, have the cops not got something better to do?
He threatened to come back. I heard him. Arrest him, please.
That's not illegal.
That's not illegal to threaten to come back to whoop my ass.
I didn't say I'd whoop your ass.
You said you whoop his.
That's different, not yours.
I don't care. That's still illegal. You cannot threaten to come back to someone's
I'm
house.
gonna whip his ass.
For what? Because your
Really?
wife doesn't know how to
Really?
ask someone properly to take down a
Are you
pool?
going to? Are you going to?
I don't know. I don't care. Just please leave.
Why is it her fault? You put a pool in the front.
Because they gave us permission. We did not know that this was
had a week to move.
We didn't know it was rented by somebody else. We apologize for that. But what I'm asking you is to please leave and not come back like you just said. That is a threat, and I will get you arrested for that.
The police are already here.
I do not
Yes!
care. I
Get
will
them
get you
boys.
arrested
Yes, sir.
by somebody else.
Yeah, phones, yeah, that's all
Really?
we gotta do.
So please just leave. Yes, pussy
to
as
jail.
fuck.
Go to jail.
Pussy as fuck, but
Go
you'll
to
go to
jail.
jail for putting your
Go to
hands on
jail.
them. Do you not have children?
Go to jail.
What are you worried about? Do you have
to
kids?
jail.
Do you have kids or do you just have an ego? Leave.
Do I have? Why am I?
Do you have children? Because you're acting like a fucking imbecile.
Got anything to do with
Because look at you, you're a grown-ass man arguing with a fucking kid right now about a pool we got permission over. Just leave.
You're
You
getting the
look
crowd.
stupid. You look stupid. Leave.
Get the crowd up.
You are my trash,
Yeah, what's
Mr.
up?
fucking Secretary of Chosen Sons. You are fucking trash.
What, bro, get it. He's beating on my fucking.
that shit on the side.
What are you gonna? That piece of shit is so on you. Now destruction of property. Arrest him. Arrest
broke
him.
my
He just
fucking
broke
door.
my door.
Check it out.
Arrest him.
Huh?
Arrest him.
He broke my
I will
fucking-
call Janet now.
Yeah, I'm calling 911. Fuck it.
I swear to God, arrest him, or I promise you, you will
You're
lose
not gonna
your
lock him up?
job.
Are you not gonna lock him up? Officer Mayo,
No.
0184.
Stop that. Stop that recording.
Are you not gonna lock him up for
Stop
just breaking
that.
my fucking
Call the
door?
real
Look at this,
police.
and I'm not gonna cap you.
That's destruction of property.
Let's read another good fucking comment by another one of you attentive observers. He just attempted to go in their house in front of the cops. The cops were scared, or just didn't give a darn. Or it could be that he's someone, or that biker group is someone in that town. That's serious pull to be able to do that right in front of the police. They're probably his friends for real. IDK.
Picture this, a small town in Maryland, Denton to be precise. A year ago, an incident occurs, prompting a citizen to file a complaint against two local police officers. The issue is taken seriously, passed on to the Caroline County Administrative Charging Committee for a thorough review and discussion. These officers found guilty of misconduct are recommended for discipline in accordance with the Maryland Uniform Disciplinary Matrix. A loss of 10 days of leave and pay, split between a 5-day suspension without pay and 5 days of lost leave. For the other, Corporal Mayo, the punishment is similar, a 10-day loss of leave and pay, 5 of which are a suspension without pay, 5 a loss of leave, plus a demotion to patrolman first class. In Denton, Maryland, no one is above the law. The Caroline County's Administrative Charging Committee process, established by the state of Maryland, ensures that everyone, even officers of the law, are held accountable for their actions.
Let us read you the statement from Police Chief, and don't laugh at his last name, George W. Bacon. Bacon Acorn. How appropriate in this day and age. Town of Denton, Maryland Police Department public information announcement. On behalf of the Town of Denton, Maryland Police Department, I have thoroughly reviewed and followed through on the Caroline County Administrative Charging Committee's recent ruling regarding an incident that occurred on April 7th, 2023, resulting in a citizen complaint against two Town of Denton police officers. The ACC reviewed and discussed the allegations of misconduct by the two officers and found each in violation of Town of Denton police policies and recommend discipline based on the Maryland Uniform Disciplinary Matrix. For Corporal Snyder, the recommended discipline included 10 days loss of leave and/or pay. I imposed 5 days loss of leave and a 5-day suspension without pay, which was presented to the officer, accepted, and duly imposed. The ACC also recommended discipline of 10 days loss of leave and/or pay and a demotion of 1 rank for Corporal Mayo. I imposed 5 days loss of leave and 5 days suspension without pay and a demotion to Patrolman First Class, which was presented to CPL. Mayo accepted and duly imposed. Caroline County's ACC process, as established by the state of Maryland, was followed to ensure the officers were held to account. George W. Bacon, Jr., Chief of Police, Denton, Maryland Police Department. It sure is sad to say that we get excited and give a big hoopla about a slap on the wrist that would make a baby giggle. These cops just keep getting away with bad behavior even when they're found guilty. It's a good thing she recorded this incident and uploaded it immediately, or else she'd just be a lying cop hater who spreads propaganda online. Don't forget to use your phones to record the police. Their lies become truth in court unless you can prove otherwise. That's it for today's video, folks. See you on the next one if you subscribe and hit the bell.